authentic therapists, the reason why so many businesses fail is because of a lack of organization. Now, of course, this is not just private practice. Any business will fail if it is not organized. So many people think that they could just start a business on a whim, no planning process at all, but this is just not true, and it's like a recipe for failure. Now, an organizational system inside of your business will help to ensure that you're always following that mission and that vision statement that you originally set before you even started your business. An organizational system in your business will ensure that you're always addressing the important elements of your business, and also will ensure that you're not missing things that you are really crucial for your business to run. For example, you're not missing meetings. You're not going to miss payments for your business. And of course, you'll make sure that you're always receiving the payments for the services that you rendered. Due to an organizational system in your business. Lastly, having an organization within your business is going to help you to relieve stress. Now, I'm all about creating a business that you have a passion for and really giving your business your all. But at the same time, we're not trying to do this and create more stress in our lives. As we're developing our business, as we're building our business, we want to make sure that we are doing it in a way that's going to alleviate stress instead of adding on more stress. Now, nobody wants a chaotic business, but if you have a business and it lacks no organizational system, then you're basically setting yourself up for failure. And of course, we know that a disorganized business is likely to create a disorganized life, and we don't have time for that. So if you own a private practice or if you're in business, then I want you to take a look at all the areas of your business and ask yourself, are there elements of my business where I can be a little bit more organized? All businesses should be created to impact the world in a positive way, as well as to impact ourselves in a positive way. And if you feel like you want more information on how to get your practice organized, I want you to join us in Therapists in Action. Therapists in Action is a group for therapists who are ready to take action in their business, who are tired of trying to just figure it out by themselves and are ready to put some structure in their business, get organized, and take action. So for more information about Therapists in Action, click the link below and I'll see you in the club.